The baby is growing quickly and entering an exciting stage of development. But this time, the baby is about 2 to 3 inches long, which is roughly the size of a lime or a small plum. The baby usually weighs around half an ounce to 1 ounce, even though the baby is still small. Many important changes are happening inside the womb. The baby's organs and body parts are mostly formed by this stage. The heart is beating strongly, and the brain continues to develop every day. The baby can now move its arms and legs, open and close its tiny hands, and even start making small facial expressions. These moments and movements are still very gentle, so many parents cannot feel them yet, but the baby is definitely active. The baby's fingers and toes are fully formed, and tiny fingerprints are beginning to develop. The baby can also stretch, kick, and move around in the amniotic fluid. The face is becoming more defined, with the eyes moving closer together and the ears moving to their normal position on the sides of the head. Another exciting change is that the baby may start to practice swallowing amniotic fluid. This helps the digestive system begin to work. The kidneys also start producing urine, which becomes part of the amniotic fluid. For the pregnant person, this time is often a little easier than the first weeks. Morning sickness may start to improve, and energy levels may slowly come back. The belly may start to show a little, although more, for many people it is still small. Overall, weeks 12 to 13 mark the end of the first trimester, a very important milestone. The baby is developing fast and becoming stronger every day. Preparing for the many months and growth are still ahead. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your attention. See you on the next episode. BabyBlab 24/7. See you then.